Here we have all of these angles add up to 360 degrees. So we have angle A plus the 26-degree angle, another angle with a measure of A, and an angle of 126 degrees, all of which are equal to 360 degrees. Again, we combine our like terms here. There's one A and then a second A, so we can write this as 2A. And then we have 26 and 126 added together. So that's 152. And all of this is equal to 360. Now to solve for A, we want to get this piece by itself by subtracting 152 from both sides. Over here we are left with 2A. And on this side, it's 208. So each of those angles has to be 104 degrees.